Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph C. Fry, isang visual artist from Manila, and today we are going to customize the ZD Toys Iron Man na Venomized version. Again, thank you very much Laro Anan for sending this figure for unboxing, review, and customization. Yan. So first step, we are going to use Bosny Flat Clear para makapag-add ng transparent layer that acts as a primer and helps the paint adhere to the surface. Okay, done na tayo sa flat clear. Nag-cure na siya. Siguro mga 2 to 3 top coats or coats yung ginawa ko. Then next, we are going to use a silver paint, Vallejo silver metal color para sa ating silver dry brushing. So sa dry brush it is a painting technique in which the brush holds a small quantity of paint that is applied or dragged across the surface. Feathering highlights and emphasizes details on the sculpt. Yan, so na-cure na. So dadrag lang natin yung paint across the surface para mag-touch lang yung paint dun sa mga nakaangat na areas. Yung mga naka-recessed na areas, hindi na siya tatamaan. Okay, done na tayo sa silver dry brushing. Here's the appearance at the back and at the front. Okay lang naman mag-extend sa mga iba't ibang places ng armor yung paint. Kasi broad strokes pala yung ginagawa natin. Now, next step, mag-apply tayo ng Intense Violet from Hero Paints. Ayan, salamat Hero Paints for the sponsorship. And sponsored tayo ni Hero Paints sa mga projects natin. Thank you very much for sending paints for unboxing, review, and customization. Okay, so ito na yung appearance niya. So here's the front and the back. So puro dry brushing technique lang yung gagawin natin dito. Layers and layers of dry brush techniques. Yan, yung sinunod kong color, cobalt blue. Now, ito naman, turquoise naman, yung gagamitin natin color. Para magkaroon tayo ng additional highlights, para ma-emphasize yung details ng armor, yung symbiote. Mas lalong aangat yung mga sculpt niya. Mag-add din siya ng level of weathering. And then, next color na apply natin, white and turquoise and combination. So ang concept ng ginagawa natin from the darkest paint to the lightest paint, yun yung ginagawa kong proseso. Puro dry brush method lang mga ma'am sir. Tapos after nyan, kapag satisfied na kayo dun sa pagda-dry brush, pag-add ng mga highlights, pwede na tayo mag-detail painting. So gagamit na tayo dun ng mas manipis na brushes. Ayan, okay, next step, ito na muna yung status nya after all the dry brushing layers na in-apply natin. Next step, we are going to use a sponge and black paint para mag-add ng weathering or dust speckles dun sa kanyang foot and sa any part of the armor na gusto nyo. Usually yan, nilalagay ko to sa Iron Man na parts naman. Kanina yung puro dry brush, mga symbiote na parts. And we are done. Ganoon lang kasimple mga ma'am sir. Mabilis lang naman gawin na siguro in under 1 hour natapos natin yung project. Thank you very much again Laro Anan for sending this action figure for customization, review, and unboxing. And yung last step na ginawa natin dito, nag-apply tayo ng top coat para maprotektahan yung figure for minor scratches and paint rubs. Wala namang paint rubs sa mga joints, kasi meron naman siyang allowance. So, ganun pa rin, ma-rotate pa rin siya, articulated pa rin, yung knees nag-work pa rin, everything works well. And naglagay na rin ako gumawa na rin ako ng custom base for this. Yan. May texture din yung base. So, I will insert yung mga photos dito after this video showcase ng ating custom repaint na Venomized Iron Man. Thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye-bye!